All right, the way that I plant my seedlings is to take an egg flat like this and put some peat moss in it and pack it down like that. Okay, so once that's filled up, I put it in a tray like this. Okay, now from there I can water from the side, put some water, fertilizer in like that, and the water will soak up through the paper that makes up the egg crate. From there, the seedlings will grow, and if you do it right, the seedlings will grow so that the roots go right through the paper, so that when you are ready to plant, you just grab a piece off like this, turn it upside down, you should see the roots starting to grow, and from there we can take it over to the garden and plant it in a row. Okay, so from there I'm going to take this transplant and make a hole for it. Nothing special. Put the whole thing in the ground with the roots poking out the bottom, cover it up, and if you do it right, you won't have any transplant shock at all. And as you can see, I have a whole trellis full of peas right here, and all it took was just a couple egg flats to fill up the whole entire thing. Now I have a problem with seedling rot here, so I need to transplant. So the egg flat saves me a lot of money because I don't have to buy peat pots, and it works perfectly every single year.